unboxing my Impact 860T ANC Business Professional Hairpins. Alright. So it's in there really good. I think these are the instructions here. Okay. I think I read somewhere that I'm gonna have to like download an app or something. I don't know. But here's the instructions. You definitely need those. Ooh, it's in a pretty pouch. Okay. No. It's in a pretty pouch. I am gonna use these today and see how well they work. All right, I like the packaging. I like this. I really do. This is the cord. It's a USB-A. And it says something about a USB-C. We'll see. Oh, these look rough. Oh, no. Okay, soft. Okay. Stop, baby. All right, I'm excited to use these. Yes. Does it have a USB-C tip? Because I want to use it for my Chromebook. Or I can use the A. It says something about a connector. Let's see. So you can use the USB-A to a USB-C if need be. Awesome. Okay. So all of the control buttons. I'll let you guys know how the sound is. So I plug it in. Let's see. Plug it in on the top. Yeah. Let's see. Perfect. Oh, did it pick up? Pick up. Alright, awesome.
Just perfect for a stay-at-home mom. The noise cancelling portion of this